Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our awesome reviews and recommendations. And for all our returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Now let's get to the good stuff. Today we're talking about hammock rope fittings. If you love spending time outdoors, whether it's camping, hiking, or just lounging in your backyard, a hammock is an essential piece of gear. But what sets a good hammock apart from the rest? It's all in the details, and that's where hammock rope fittings come in. These fittings are designed to provide maximum strength and durability, so you can relax with peace of mind. They're made from high-quality materials that are built to last, and they're easy to install, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced hammock enthusiasts. But why do you need hammock rope fittings? Well, if you want to ensure that your hammock is fully secure and safe to use, these fittings are a game changer. They provide extra support and stability, so you can rest easy knowing that your hammock is built to last. So, whether you're hanging your hammock between two trees or attaching it to a stand, these fittings have got you covered. And with their affordable price point, they're a no-brainer investment for anyone who loves the great outdoors. So, if you're ready to take your hammock game to the next level, check out the link in the description to get your hands on hammock rope fittings today. Trust me, once you try them out, you'll wonder how you ever relaxed without them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.